Hello traders, it's your one and only Forex Q coach Tim Legend, and I'm super excited having you guys here today. I made a promise to you guys on the last video on boom and crash that I posted for you guys, which was related to PC users. So I made a promise that I was gonna make that same strategy on how to use it on your mobile phone in case if you don't have a PC, and this is the video. Okay, so if you're returning subscriber, you're welcome once again, and if it's your first time on my channel, could you please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I post awesome content, all right, that helps you in your trading career. Okay, so let's get started. Now, before I begin, I want to introduce you to the Boom and Crash community in case if you haven't joined yet, or in case if you're still intending to join. Please, this is for you to all know that it is still open and available for every trader who wishes to be a successful boom and crash trader, and who wishes to be in the community where you have a group of fellow boom and crash traders who are good in trading, who have been taught and who have passed the boom and crash test. Because one thing about this community is I don't just teach you how to trade boom and crash and then let you enter into the channel. No. Okay, I don't just teach you and then let you enter into the community. No, I make sure that before you enter the community, I test you. I give you a certain series of tests to make sure that you pass those tests. Okay, that is why if you notice in the community here, we are just 65, but I've taught almost 100 traders already, but we are just 65. Why? Because quite a lot of them who have gone through the test, all right, some of them are still going through it and they haven't yet come to write their exams or their tests. Because I don't just let you join the community because I've trained you. I want to make sure that I see the result of training you, so before you can join this community. So that's for you to know how intensive it is for you to be part of this community. So if you want to join, traders, is open for you and available for you. So I just wanted to show you a little result of what we do here. All right, you can see how we do it here. It's not a place where we joke. We always make sure we analyze the market. I teach them how to analyze the market and how to get wonderful sniper entries to, so quite a lot of things, traders. You need to be part of this. If you want to be a successful boom and crash trader, you need to be part of this community. Okay, so let us, without further delay, let's get straight to business. So to join the boom and crash community, all right, the link is on the description below, and to be part of my Telegram channel, the link is also on the description below. Okay, so if you remember, this is the indicator which I used on that PC, the Williams percentage range, and then I know very well that we had a support and resistance indicator that was on that video, which is for PCs, and then we can't use indicators, okay, some of those indicators on mobile, except the ones that we have naturally on the MT5, right? So this is what we're going to do. I'll teach you exactly how to bring out support and resistance manually. Okay, how to bring out supports and resistance manually, all right, so that you can be able to use it. Now, the main reason why you are using support and resistance in your trading is because you want to know an area where price is going to get to and certainly react to, either going up or going down. Okay, like if we place this line here right now, we'll see a reason why this price stopped here and began to go down. Let me go to the 15-minute time frame. Now you get to see that this is actually a zone. Okay, this was formerly a support, now was formerly a resistance here, right? So you can see that this is actually a zone, and that is why it has respected here. You see it was a support, so that's why price spiked there. This is another area where price spiked. So if you want to look at the past, Okay, if you want to look at the past, you get to see that these are areas that price reacted to. This was support before, so that is for you to know that you can use your horizontal line to spot out your supports and resistances. Okay, now you can be having the anticipation that this price is likely to come down for a long time before it hits this next support zone. Okay, let me change the color to white. All right, so this might be the next support zone where price might really want to dip down straight to before it spikes up. So the whole thing is use your horizontal line to spot out your obvious supports and resistance in the market, and that's number one. And then number two is you always want to make sure that you observe the trend. Okay, I'll give you the parameters for this indicator that I just put here. It's going to help you know when the price is in an uptrend or in a downtrend. I always teach my students to learn to follow the trend. Okay, don't just be a kind of trader who wants to buy and sell and buy and sell and buy and sell everything. No, because that's how you see yourself making money and end up losing it at the end of the day. So follow the trend. Okay, if it's an uptrend, look forward to catching the buying opportunities throughout the day. Okay, that's just one beautiful thing if you want to be a good winner in the boom and crash market. So back to 1 minute time frame. The zoom level, I'll take it deep in and I'll bring it out 1, 2, and that's all. All right, that's all you need. Okay, so let me see. So for the percentage range, all right, this is how it works. If you watch the video on how to use it on PC, you should know how it works already, but let me explain it again here. Whenever you notice the move deep down, all right, once you get to see the price at 100, it's either you want to wait for one spike. All right, so if that spike takes price halfway up, all right, place your trade believing that another spike is gonna absolutely take it up to the overbought level. Okay, but sometimes you get to see that one spike alone takes it so very high, just like this one that occurred. So what I do sometimes is, once I have noticed that it has gotten to the 100% level, okay, number one thing I will do is I will bring out my support and resistance horizontal line, which I told you about. Okay, I'll just bring it out. All right, so once I bring it out, I want to observe from a higher time frame. You can go to your 30 minutes time frame. All right, let me go back there and make another color for that. Where is that area? Okay, wait, I know what I'm gonna do. Let me just clear all these ones. And then bring out a new one here. Okay, so I'll go to the 15-minute time frame. Now once I look at my 15-minute time frame, or it can be your 30-minute time frame, whichever way. Okay, once you look at it and observe that price has gotten to a certain support zone, if you just look at it and see that is at a support zone, what you do is, in your 1 minute time frame, which is your entry time frame, okay, where is that area? In your 1 minute time frame, which is your entry time frame, what you just want to do is you place a trade with a little lot size. Okay, with a little lot size, or a lot size according to your account. Well, all right, if you have $100 account, I don't advise you to take anything higher than your normal low lot size of 0.20. Just stay on a low size till you have a good amount in your account. Don't over trade, don't over leverage. All right, so where is that? Okay, so all you want to do is, if you place it here and notice that it has gotten to a certain support zone, you want to place a trade with a little lot size, believing that a spike will occur soon. So you can see sometimes that just one spike can take this price so high. All right, and there's every tendency that when price moves down, and gets to the minus 20 level, another spike can occur. Why sometimes it can go deep down and get to the 80 level and spike again. That is why I put it here as TT, that is take a trade, right? But stay on a low lot size. All right, that is just there for that. That's how that works. Okay, that's just how it works. Now here is another example telling you one spike alone took price so high. One spike alone can take price so high to overbought. So that is why you just want to do that whenever it has gotten to the 100 level. Just bring out your support and resistance horizontal line, check from higher time frames and ask yourself, where is price currently? Now for instance, it has gotten to the 100 level, right? Let us check out where is price currently in the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, let me use the 15-minute time frame, okay, or the 5-minute time frame rather. Then I'll bring out my horizontal line and place it here to see where is price currently. And I can see clearly that price is actually on a support zone. This is where it got resisted in the past. You see what I said? You see what I told you guys, traders? That spike has occurred. You see what I told you guys? It has got into the this was formerly a resistance zone, and now it has become support. And you see exactly that spike has occurred. Now it has taken it halfway up. As long as it has not gotten to the overbought, you can place another trade. Okay, you can easily place another trade. As simple as that. I'm so happy as it happened, as I'm showing you guys, so that you know how real this strategy is. Okay, it's just for you to follow the simple rule. So this price will have to keep spiking up till it either gets to till it either touches this moving average and become a resistance, or till it goes high up and gets to this resistance zone, or till this average percentage range gets to overbought, whichever way. Okay, so I hope you understand this strategy and how it works. Now please, if you find this strategy useful and if you love my content, please give me a like after this video, and don't forget to subscribe so that we can keep growing and keep winning. For the settings, you have the Williams percentage range, your period to be 14, pixel 3. Under your levels you have 8 minus 80 minus 20 minus 100. Minus 100 you call it oversold, minus 20 you call it overbought. The 80 zone you put TT, that is take a trade. For the moving average here, you have it to be 90. Okay, the work of the moving average is to enable you know when the trend is moving up or downward. Okay, the community is still available for you guys to join if you still wish to join. And if you want to be part of those who trade the volatility index trade the VIX 75 and all of them step index, there's a training coming up by July 27th to 31st. Is it going to be a 5 days intensive training by two wonderful Forex mentors? All right, so you want to make sure you be part of that too. So all you want to do right now is go to the description below and join my Telegram channel so that you get to see every details that you need about it. Okay, so remain your one and only Forex skill coach, Team Legend.